Absolutely, let's do this. Norwex claims their microfiber can remove up to 99% of bacteria from a surface using only water, so let's test it out using the ProClean test swab. Now, these swabs don't test for bacteria, but they are used in the restaurant industry to rapidly test food prep surfaces for protein residue. And protein is a breeding ground for bacteria. Green is a pass, meaning no protein is present. I'm going to use an egg as my protein source and crack it right on the table. Eggs are considered one of the highest quality forms of protein, and while egg whites are especially renowned for their high levels, egg yolk contains more protein on a gram-for-gram basis. To show you how accurate these tests are, let's swab our surface again using a new test. Once the swab is back in the tube, I snap the top, which releases the liquid reagent down the tube to interact with the material collected from the surface. If protein residue is present, the reagent will turn a dark color. The more contamination, the quicker the color changes and the darker it becomes. Now, let's thank our chicken friend for their sacrifice and clean this mess up using a Norwex kitchen cloth, damp with only water. Norwex Microfiber eliminates bacteria from a surface by physically removing it, unlike chemical solvents which destroy bacteria. After wiping up the bulk of the mess, I'll refold the cloth to a clean side, keeping the cloth flat to ensure the highest level of contact between the fibers and the surface. Let's test one more time, making sure to apply enough pressure to create flex in the wand and rotating to collect sample on every side of the swab tip. Repeating the same steps as before, you'll see that the Norwex cloth removed all of the protein from the surface. If you're still skeptical, you can review independent test results from the internationally renowned German testing lab Weber Leucht involving actual bacteria samples by following this link.